In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play GTA 5 roleplay on the PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The method that I'm going to talk about in this video is going to work for many different consoles. So PlayStation 4, which is the focus of this video, but it's also going to work for new-gen PlayStation 5 and even Xbox consoles. So the difficulty of playing roleplay on GTA 5 if you are playing on a PlayStation console is the fact that, unlike PC, you will not have access to a launcher. So you will not be able to download an executable file, run it, and connect to the servers. So basically, the alternative is to join a community focused on roleplay. In this video, I'm going to showcase some of these communities. So the first one that I want to showcase is Los Santos Live Roleplay. You will be able to find their website, so look for it on Google. And as you can see, most of these communities are extremely well organized. You will see the amount of players online on their Discord, the events, and you will be able to join and do roleplay. So just visit their websites, and usually you will have to apply through Discord. So if you don't have a Discord account and you don't know what it is basically like Skype. You will be able to join their server here, so click apply now, join the server by downloading the Discord application and creating an account, and in there will be instructions on what you have to do. You might have to schedule a date with them so you can go over the rules and regulations together and apply. You will verify your character, verify your account, and you will be able to join them. Like I said, these servers are super well organized, so it's important that you join the recruitment server and you follow the instructions in order to join properly. The other one that I recommend is Boys in the Hood. This is another extremely popular roleplay community, and it is available for PlayStation and Xbox. Once again, go over to their website, click join now, and follow through the instructions on Discord. Verify your account, and you will be able to play roleplay directly on your PlayStation console. I hope I was able to help you on how to play GTA 5 roleplay on PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.